Hello everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 6.4. This is finding the square root by division method. You have done square root with repeated subtraction and prime factorization method. Now we are using division method. So what is the method? At first we will do this division sign, then make the pair from the right hand side or from the unit digit. Make the pair of any two, right? Now we will think a number whose square is nearly less than 23 or equal to 23. When we see this is 5 5s are 25 is more than 23. So it goes at 4 because 4 4s are 16 will be less than 23. So this is 4 4s are 16 students, and when you subtract it you will get 13 minus 6 is 7, and a pair will be forward. In the square root you will forward the pair. Now take the double of this answer. Any number when you get here you will write the double here, right? So 4 is here, so you will write here 4 to the 8, right? Now here is 4, so 4 can come by 2 to the 4 and 8 8 the 64. So there are two possibilities. It may be goes at 2 or it may be goes at 8. Let us check at 2 and 8. If it goes at 2, you will write 82 multiply by 2. If it goes at 8, you will write 88 and multiply by 8. So 2 to the 4, 2 8 ja 64, right? This is 644. Let us check at 8. 8 8 ja 64, carrying 6. 8 8 ja 64 and 6 is 704, right? So let it goes at 8. So you will multiply this 88 by 8 and you will get 704. Subtract it and you will get crosshair or 0, right? So square root of 2304 is 48, right? Now come to question number second part. Make this design of the square and square root, and make the pairs from the right hand side or from the unit place, right? Now think a number whose square is nearly less or equal to 44. You see 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49 is more than 44. So it goes at 6 because 6 6 ja 36 is lesser than 44. When you subtract 14 minus 6 is 8 and forward 18 9 in the pair, right? Do the double of this number. 6 2s are 12. Now how 9 come? When you multiply 3 3s are 9, right? When you multiply 7 7s are 49, right? We will see the squares, okay? Not 11 9s are 99 and we get 9 at the unit place. We will see the squares. When you find the square of 3 you will get 9 at the unit place. When you get the square of 7 you will get 49. In that you will have 9. So it it can be goes at 3. If it goes at 3 we will multiply 123 by 3. If it goes at 7 then 127 multiply by 7. So let us check. This is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 369 is smaller than 889. Let us check it 7. 7 7s are 49, carrying 4. 7 2s are 14 and 4 is 18, carrying 1. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8. Yes, it is perfectly 889. But in the case of non-perfect square, we can check more numbers like 4 5 6, any number. But we know that these are perfect square numbers because we have already given in the question these are perfect square, and we have to find the square root of these by using division method, right? So it goes at 7, so you will write a 7 here and write a 7 here also, right? Now this is 889, you know that when you multiply, and when you subtract you will get crosshair or 0 you can write. So we can write the square root of 4489 is 67, right? Now come to the fourth part. Again we will make this pattern, and from the right hand side we will make the pair of two numbers, and let us think a number whose square is nearly smaller than 34 or equal to 34. So let us check. This is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36 is more than 34. So this goes at 5. So you will write a 5 here and here. When you find the square of this 5, 5 5s are 25. When you get it minus 14 minus 5 is 9. and you will forward 81 now in the pair. Now find the double of this number. This is 5 to the 10. And let us check when 1 comes when you find the 1 square, and when you find 9 square, 9 nines are 81, right? In this case you will get 1 at the unit place. So if it goes at 1, then 101 will be multiplied by 1. If it goes at 9, then 109 multiply by 9, and you will get 101 here, and then 9 nines are 81 and 9 ones are 9. Perfectly it goes at 9. So put a 9 here and 9 here. So you will get 981. When you subtract, you will get a cross or 0. Now the square root of 3481 is 59, right? So let us come to fourth part. It is 3-digit number. Don't worry, we will make the pair from the right hand side. So only 5 is remaining here. It's okay, you can put a 0 here and make the pair, or you just directly underline 5. This is also itself a pair, right? So you can write a 0 here, it's okay. Now check whose square is nearly smaller or equal to 5. So this is 2 2s are 4 is smaller than 5, and 3 3s are 9 is more than, so it goes at 2 2 2s are 4. When you subtract, you will get 1 from here and forward a pair, that is 29. Now find the double of this number. This is 2 2s are 4. When 9 comes, when you find the square of 3 and when you find the square of 7, only then you will get 9. You will just check the squares, okay? So if it goes at 3, then 43 multiply by 3. If it goes at 7, then 47 multiply by 7. So you will get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Perfectly you get 129. So no need to do this now. So it goes at 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. When you subtract, you will get a cross or 0. Now square root of 529 is 23, right? Now come to fifth part. Make the pair from right hand side. These are 4-digit numbers, so this is easily you can find the pairs. Now whose square is nearly smaller or equal to 32? This is 6 6 is 36 is more than 32, so it goes at 5. 5 5s are 25. When you subtract, you will get 12 minus 5 is 7, and 49 will forward in the pair. Now find the double of this number. 5 2s are 10. When 9 come, when you find the square of 3 and square of 7, only then you will get 9 as the unit digit. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are, sorry, 7 7s are 49. Only then you will get the 9 as the unit digit. So if it goes at 3, then 103 will be multiplied by 3. If it goes at 7, 107 multiply by 107 multiplied by 7 will be there. Now this is 3 3s are 9, 0 and 3 1s are 3. So this is a greater number than 309. Let us check at 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So perfectly it goes at 7. So write a 7 here and a 7 here, and you will get the multiplication under 749, and it will subtract it, and you can get the cross or 0. Now square root of 3249 is surely is 57. This is the solution, students. I hope you understand. Now come to sixth part. It is also a 4-digit number, so make the pair from the right hand side, and let us check whose square is nearly smaller or equal to 13. So 13 is at the 3 unit place. It means we have to check the smaller number than 13, because 13 is not a perfect square. So this is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 is more than 13. So we will take it 3. So it will 3 3s are 9, and you will get 13 minus 9 is 4, and you will forward a 69. Always remember, students, we are not doing the direct division. We are finding square root by division method. This is not the simple division. So we just check always the squares. Where it goes, we will check the squares. So just find the double of this number. This is 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. Double of this number, 3 2s are 6. Now see, 9 is at the unit place. When you get 9, when you find the 3 square, you will get 9 at the unit digit, and when you find 7 square, then also you will get 49, that is 9 at the unit place. If it goes at 3, you will multiply 63 by 3. If it goes at 7, you will multiply 67 by 7. Then this is 3 3s are 6. sorry, 3 3s are 9. What happened with me? 3 3s are 9, 3 6 ja 18. 189 is smaller than 469. Let us check it. 7 7 7s are 49, carrying 4. 7 6 ja 42. 42 and 4 is 46. Yet surely goes at 7. So you will write a 7 here and 7 here. And 469 is the product. After subtraction, you will get a cross or the 0. So the square root of 1369 is surely 37. Right? Now come to next part, students. I hope you understand, and if you understand, you can do by yourself also. So this is a number. This is 7th part. So this is your number. This is also a 2-digit number, students. And in this 2-digit number, you will make the pair from the right hand side. Now examine whose square is nearly smaller or equal to 57. You see 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64 is more than 57. So it goes at 7, right? So 7 7 are 49 will be there. Now if you subtract 17 minus 9, you will get 8, right? And 76 will forward here. So find the double of this number. 7 2s are 14. Now when 6 come, when you find the square of 4, you will get 16. In that you have 6 as the unit digit. And if you find 6 square, that is 36, in that also you have 6 as the unit place. If it goes at 4, then 144 will multiply by 4. And if it goes at 6, then 146 multiply by 6. So let us check. This is 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 117, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. It is quite smaller than 876. So let us check it. 6 6 6s are 36, carrying 3, 6 4s are 24, 24 and 3 27, carrying 2, 6 1s are 6 and 2 8. Surely it goes at 6. So it goes at 6, and 876 is the multiplication. When you subtract, you will get a cross or 0 here. And then square root of 5776 is 76, right? Now come to 8th part, sorry, and make this the sign of the square root and make the pair of from the right hand side. Now see, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81 is more than 79. So it goes at 8, 8 8s are 64. 9 minus 4 is 5, and you will forward a 21 in the pair. Now find the double of this 8, 8 2s are 16. When 1 come, when you find 1 square and 9 square is also 81, in that also you have unit place 1. So if it goes at 1, then 161 multiply by 1. If it goes at 9, then 169 multiply by 9. So let us check. If it is multiply by 1, you will get 161, that is smaller than 521. So let us check it. 9 9 9s are 81, carrying 8, 9 6 ja 54. 54 and 8 is 62, carrying 6, 9 1s are 9, and it is also very more than. Oh, let us check the number. 8 2s are 16, yes. 9 9s are 81, carrying 8, 9 6 ja 54, and 8 is 62, yes. Now carrying okay, 1 is also there. I'm sorry, 7 minus 6 is 1. Sorry, 1 is also there. Okay, 6 is carrying. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 and 6 is 15. Surely it goes at 9. So make it correct, students. I forget to have 1 here. Right? Now 7 minus 6 is 1 here. So you will get 1521, 1521. After subtraction, you will get cross here. So taking square root of 7921 as 89, right? This was the 8th part. Now come to part number 9, 576. This is 2-digit number. Okay, you will make the pair of 5 itself to 0. Now see, it goes at 2, 2 2s are 4, and after subtraction you will get 1, and 76 will forward. Now find the double of this 2. This is 2 2s are 4. 6 comes when you find the square of 4 and when you find the square of 6. In 4 4s are 16, you have unit digit 6. In 6 square, that is 36, you have 6 as the unit place. If it goes at 4, then 44 multiply by 4. If it goes at 6, then 46 multiply by 6. Now let us check at what it goes. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 170. Surely it goes at 4. So we have no need to check at 6. So let us directly take it 4. So you will get 176 and a cross or 0 is there. Now you can write the square root of 576 is 24, right? It's a very smaller question. Now come to part number 10. You can make the pair from the right hand side. Now it goes at 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 will be there after subtraction. 24 will be forward. Now 3 2s are 6. When 4 comes, if you do 2 square and if you do 8 square, that is 64. In that also you have unit place 4. So let us check if it goes at 2. 62 will be multiplied with 2. If it goes at 8, 68 will be multiplied by 8. You will get 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Yet it is goes at 2. No need to check at 8 now. So goes at 2. You will get 124. After subtraction you will find a cross or a 0. So square root of 1024 is 32, right? So that's all. Now come to part number 6. Again make the pair from the right hand side. It goes at 5. You know 5 5s are 25. After subtraction you will get 6 and a 36 will be forward here. Now find the double of this 5, that is 10. When the 6 come, if you find 4 square and if you find 6 square, in that 16 and 36 you will have 6 as the unit place. If it goes at 4 you will multiply 104 by 4. If it goes at 6 you will multiply 106 with 6. This is 416, you know, and this is 636. So it goes at 6 now. So you can write 636 after subtraction. This is a cross. So square root of 3136 is 56, right? Now come to the 12th part. This is 900. You can do this 9 into 100. 9 square root of 9 is 3, square root of 100 is 10, that is 30. So you can do directly also. But in the division method we have given the restriction in the first question that we have to do this question by division method. So let us make the pair from the last. 9 will be taken with 0 or alone you can underline 9. So it goes at 3 3s are 9, right? And forward double 0 here. Now 3 2s are 6. Here are 0, so it will not divisible. So we will get a 0 here. So square root of 900 is 30, right? So this all is the complete solution of the question number 1. I hope you understand. And now come to question number 2. In that we have to tell that how many digit a square root of these numbers have. So a number have that many digits in the square root, that that many pairs the number have. If I take 64 is the 2-digit number, is a single pair. So the number of digits in square root will be 1, because one pair is there. So how many pair 144 have? 2 pairs. So you can write here number of the digits in the square root are 2. Here you have 2 pairs, so number of the digits, you can write digits in the square root are 2. In that 1 2 3 pairs, so digit in the square root are 3. Now this is 1 2 3 pairs are there, so digit in the square root are 3. So you will write this line, you know that this sentence you can write, and then write the number of the digits in the square root. So that's all for today. I hope you understand, and if you find my video interesting and helpful in your studies, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.